Giltcom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you love designer brands at discounted prices, Giltcom is an obvious choice, but most people get this wrong by assuming all products are cheap or that sales last indefinitely. The surprising truth is that pricing depends on brand, category, and limited time promotions. Giltcom operates flash sales, often 24-72 hours, with discounts from 30% to 70%. Entry-level items like casual wear may start at, while designer jackets or handbags can still cost, even at a discount. Shipping usually ranges, with returns accepted within 30 days for most items. Some high-demand items may be final sale. What you get: access to premium brands at below retail prices, curated collections, and occasional exclusive items. What you give up: limited stock and time-sensitive offers, meaning popular items can sell out quickly. Planning and monitoring sales are essential to maximize value. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Sign up to receive sale alerts. Step 2. Compare discounted prices to standard retail to verify savings. Step 3. Check shipping and return policies. Step 4. Prioritize items based on need, style, and rarity. You won't believe what happens next if you wait too long. Coveted items vanish within hours. The surprising truth is that savvy shoppers who act quickly can score designer goods at remarkable prices, while those who hesitate may miss out. In conclusion, Giltcom offers real value for those who understand flash sale dynamics. By planning purchases, tracking promotions, and factoring in shipping and returns, your money goes further and your wardrobe gains premium pieces at a fraction of the cost.